17 has the biggest amount of cash, biggest amount of money placed on it. That's a close issue. Oh, thank you. You noticed the new manicure? Thank you. Oh, 33, 35, 100. I love it. I like truly love it. I'm looking at it and I'm like, wow, this is the most perfect manicure I've got in the past half of a year. I'm telling you, I'm like, wow. It is worth 50 euros. It is worth 50 euros. Last seconds. That's a close, this one. Go to Quebec. Why? 13 and 22, 200 and boom. All right, guys. Is it already snowing in your country? 0, green number. 793, expensive. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, take a look at the 5 and 10. I'm singing Christmas songs now, but when it's actually gonna be Christmas, I ain't gonna have the Christmas mood. It's 15 degrees. That's a close. In Australia, it's nearly 30 degrees on New Year's. I just can't imagine celebrating New Year's when it's not at least cold. 624.35, 100x on 35. But on a serious note, global warming is a real thing. Number 31. We've never had such a warm October and November. 31 high on the black number, Earth line section 827 and betting.